Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you what I have been working on. This is part of the Women of the Bible printable kit, and I made this is one of the prayer pocket, or the pocket templates that was already, but I kind of made it, instead of going this way this time, I made it come this way. As you can see, I'm going to open it up, and this is how I did it. I only glued just down here at the bottom. Instead of having it like this, I turned it like this. So this could be a tuck. It could be a pocket itself. And then on the back of these, I usually just put index cards because they're easier to, work with, and I can journal whatever that I need to journal about for this pocket, if it's a prayer pocket, or if it's just a journaling pocket to study with Bible study. And I'm super excited because it's flat, even though it has all these embellishments and layers. I call this a cluster pocket. And then I have one of the ministry cards in there as well. So I am loving this new thought about, so that it would easily go into a Bible as well. You could put a paper clip and clip it into a Bible, clip it into a journal, and it's small enough to actually go into a traveler's notebook size signatures, but you could absolutely put these in envelopes and mail them to people, and that was, my thinking. So I could just easily turn this back this way and put this through the machine, and you may, you could spread out the paper so it wouldn't be so thick. Kind of do this when you mail them so that it wouldn't be so thick in one's spot, if that makes any sense. So these are easy to mail, probably a one stamp mail, I'm thinking, if a bigger envelope, the business size envelopes. Flatten it out, and I just used some hot glue here and some trim, and I try to think of flat so that I could mail it easily with one stamp. So I just wanted to show you that, and I'm going to put this right back here to show you about in a Bible. Now, here's a paper clip already there. How about that? Paper clip already there in the Bible. So I could just clip this in and just look how pretty that looks. And then if I wanted to actually share this, I could just take it out and give it to whoever. But I wanted to. So I just thought that I would show you. And it's kind of, like I said, I call it the cluster pocket. There we go. Kind of get everything how to straighten out and spread out. Okay. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this. To those of you who want to do Bible journaling but don't necessarily have a journaling Bible, or don't necessarily want to journal in the Bible, this is an alternative that you can do. So, alright guys, I hope you check out the free printables at the blog. See you later. Bye everyone.